Hi, after a rather long break, I'm back. Summer holidays have passed and it's about time to get on, to make Endra what she's destined to be, a sailing boat. Welcome to a journey of crafting a wooden sailing boat. After a first successful and cheerful launch, Endra has found her way back to the workshop and was waiting for the next important tasks. I'd say the second season has started. But before I take you with me to build the furnitures and rig, I want to review a thing I've withheld before Endra went to water. It was kind of a tough nut to crack. And even now, as I didn't see a better solution, I'm not entirely convinced with the construction of the rudder. Maybe some of you had any suggestions of improve. I designed and redesigned the rudder concept a dozen times at least. Drilled a pilot hole for the rudder post some time ago and had to take a final decision as the propeller was in place. Well, it certainly does its job. And yet, the horror to find myself disabled due to a cracked steering compound lets me think about a way to fortify the whole thing. So feel free to give me your opinion about it. And now, I'll let it rest to dive into entirely new topics next episode. I'll be happy to have you along. See you!